If Chrome has been acting a little weird or you're troubleshooting a connection issue, one useful thing you can try is disabling QUIC. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable Chrome QUIC in just a few simple steps. It only takes a minute, and it can help with certain network or loading problems. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click in the address bar at the top and type chrome://flags. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's Experimental Features page. Now, in the search box at the top of the page, type QUIC. As soon as you do that, you should see an option called Experimental QUIC Protocol. This is the setting we need to change. To the right of that option, click the drop-down menu and change it from Default or Enabled to Disabled. Once you've selected Disabled, Chrome will mark the change and tell you it needs to relaunch. At the bottom of the page, click Relaunch. Chrome will restart automatically and apply the new setting. After it opens again, QUIC will be disabled in Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully turned off QUIC in Google Chrome. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy browser and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.